Howdy, my name's Texan. I'm at American Eagle Harley-Davidson in Denton, and today I'm highlighting the bike of the week, a 2025 Road Glide CVO ST in Rally Red. Inspired by King of the Baggers race bikes, the CVO Road Glide ST features lightweight carbon fiber parts, competition-inspired electronic assist, and the Milwaukee-Eight 121 high-output V-twin engine. Bring back track-ready performance and engineering to the streets. Be sure to come to American Eagle in Denton and ask for Texan. Ride lucky, y'all.